Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to edit your picture to be more cool tone on Picsart application. So first thing I'm gonna do is open the Picsart application, and after we are on the Picsart page, please go click this plus button and go into the see all to access the picture that we have on our phone or device. And after we found one, just click it, and now we already have an access to use all of the features that provided by the Picsart. And now please take a look on this bottom line here. There will be a lot of tools that we can use. Just click tools and now click adjust. Now we can adjusting the tone of this picture. So first thing I want to do is just like put some more light on this picture and put more contrast on this picture. And since we want to make this picture like have cool tone, go into the temperature by slide this menu into the left side until we found a temperature here. Just click it, and now you just need to drag this dots into the left side to have a cool tone right there. And to make it better, just go into the saturation. You can like drag into the right side to put more light on the object. You can see here the object, the coffee looks more brighter compared to before. And after you finish put the cool tone here, you can check by click and hold the picture, and this one is the previews before you put a cool tone, and this is when you already add the cool tone in this picture. After you finish, you can just click apply to apply those editing into your picture. That's all the way how to make your picture have a cool tone. If you find that this video is really useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.